Most people don't fail because they're lazy, they fail because they're distracted. Today, I'll show you how to focus on one thing and change your life. Welcome to Mind Hack AI. If you want a sharper mind, better productivity, and a stronger future, this video is for you. We're going to dive deep into the science and art of focus, breaking down the exact steps you need to take to eliminate distractions and achieve your biggest goals. Forget multitasking. It's time to master the power of singular focus. We live in a world that's actively trying to kill your focus. Think about it. Your phone buzzes with notifications from a dozen different apps. Your email inbox is overflowing. Social media offers an endless scroll of new content. This constant stream of information isn't just distracting, it's rewiring your brain. Every notification, every like, every new post gives you a tiny hit of dopamine. Your brain becomes addicted to these quick, easy rewards, making it incredibly difficult to concentrate on deep, meaningful work that doesn't offer instant gratification. That's why you find yourself jumping from one task to another, unable to sit still and concentrate. You're not weak-willed, you're fighting a system designed to keep you hooked. Your life truly begins to change the moment you decide to focus on one thing at a time. Not 10 things, not 5 things, not even 2, just one. We've been sold this myth of multitasking, the idea that doing more at once makes us more productive. It's a lie. When you try to focus on everything, you end up focusing on nothing. Think of your attention like a beam of light. You can spread it out to weakly illuminate a whole room, or you can concentrate it into a powerful laser beam that can cut through steel. That laser beam is your focus directed at a single goal. When you learn to harness it, you unlock extraordinary results. The simple rule is this: if everything is important, then nothing is important. So, how do we start? With the one goal rule, for the next 30 days, I want you to choose one main goal, just one. Not a to-do list, but a single, overarching objective that truly matters to you. It could be finishing a project, learning a new skill, or getting your health on track. Take a piece of paper or open a new note and write this sentence: for the next 30 days, my one goal is... Fill in the blank with something that would make a significant, positive impact on your life. This single goal becomes your North Star. Every decision you make, every action you take, should be measured against it. Everything else is just noise, and for the next 30 days, you're going to learn to tune it out. Next, you need to create a sanctuary for your mind. I call this the focus bubble. This is a non-negotiable block of time dedicated to pure, undisturbed work on your one goal. The most effective way to do this is using the 25/5 method, also known as the Pomodoro technique. You set a timer for 25 minutes. During this time, you work on a single task related to your goal with zero interruptions. That means your phone is off or in another room. All notifications are disabled. All irrelevant browser tabs are closed. It's just you and the task. When the timer goes off, you've earned a 5-minute break. Get up, stretch, grab some water, but avoid your phone. After the break, you start another 25-minute focus session. This method trains your brain to sustain concentration in short, manageable bursts. Before you can enter your focus bubble, you have to eliminate the enemies of focus. You need to become a detective and identify your personal focus killers. For most of us, the number one culprit is our phone. But it could also be a noisy environment, the temptation to check email, or even well-meaning people who interrupt you. Take a moment to write down the top 3 things that consistently pull you away from your work. Be brutally honest. Once you've identified them, you need a plan to neutralize them before you even begin. If it's your phone, put it in a drawer. If it's noise, invest in noise-canceling headphones. If it's browser tabs, use an extension that blocks distracting websites. By proactively removing these triggers, you make focus the path of least resistance. Now, one of the biggest reasons big goals fail is because they feel overwhelming. The sheer scale of them can cause paralysis. The secret is to break them down into laughably small micro-actions. For example, your goal isn't start a successful YouTube channel. That's huge. Your micro-action for today is write one sentence for my first script or research 3 video ideas. Your goal isn't learn to code. It's watch one 10-minute tutorial and write one line of code. These tiny actions are so easy that you can't say no to them. But here's the magic. Each small win gives you a hit of genuine, earned dopamine. It builds momentum. You're not just making progress. You're proving to yourself that you can do it, one small step at a time. This momentum is the true engine of success. Forget motivation. Motivation is fleeting. It comes and goes like the weather. What you need is discipline. And discipline isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. Every time you complete a micro-action, every time you finish a 25-minute focus session, you are casting a vote for a more disciplined version of yourself. You are training your brain to follow through on its commitments. This positive feedback loop action, reward, repeat gradually hardens into an unbreakable habit. Discipline is simply the momentum of your small wins, compounded over time. And that is what separates those who dream from those who achieve. Focus is a muscle. Just like any other muscle in your body, it gets stronger with consistent training. You wouldn't expect to go to the gym once and be strong forever, right? The same applies to your mind. So, how do you train your focus daily? Start with simple exercises. Try this. Sit in a chair for just 2 minutes. No phone, no music. Just sit and focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. Your mind will wander. That's normal. Your job is to gently bring your attention back to your breath, over and over again. Another great exercise is reading a physical book for just 10 minutes a day. It forces your brain to follow a single, linear narrative. Finally, practice single tasking in your everyday life. Make a commitment to finish one task completely before you even think about starting the next one. Your physical environment has a massive impact on your mental state. If your workspace is cluttered and chaotic, your mind will be too. To achieve deep focus, you need to protect your mental energy as if it were treasure. Start by decluttering your desk. A clean, organized space sends a signal to your brain that it's time to work. As we've discussed, keep your phone out of sight and out of mind. The mere presence of your phone on your desk can reduce your cognitive capacity. Use headphones to block out auditory distractions, even if you're just listening to ambient sounds or white noise. Your focus is a finite resource. Don't let your environment drain it before you've even started. Even with the best intentions, distractions will inevitably pop up. Your mind will wander, and you'll feel the pull of a new, shiny object. In these moments, you need a simple tool to get back on track. It has one powerful question you must ask yourself whenever you get distracted. Is this helping me achieve my one goal? Be honest. Is scrolling through social media helping you finish your project? Is checking the news helping you learn that new skill? 99% of the time, the answer will be no. That simple question acts as a mental reset button. It instantly reminds you of what is truly important and gives you the clarity to ignore the distraction and return to your task. Your brain runs on a reward system. To build a strong focus habit, you need to hack this system. After you complete a demanding focus session, maybe 2 or 3 25-minute blocks, give yourself a genuine reward. This doesn't have to be anything huge. It could be a short walk outside, listening to your favorite song, or enjoying a cup of tea. The key is that the reward must come after the hard work is done. This creates a neurological loop. Cue time to focus, routine deep work, reward a small pleasure. When your brain learns to associate focus with a positive outcome, it will start to crave it. You're not just forcing yourself to concentrate, you're teaching your brain to enjoy it. Ultimately, focus becomes automatic when you practice it with consistency. It's not about one heroic, 8-hour session of deep work. It's about showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. Start small. Maybe you can only manage 10 minutes of pure focus today. That's fine. Tomorrow, aim for 15 or 20. The goal is gradual, sustainable progress. By slowly increasing the duration and intensity of your focus sessions, you are fundamentally reshaping your brain. The neural pathways associated with concentration become stronger and more efficient. Your ability to resist distraction grows. Your mind becomes sharper, clearer, and more powerful every single day. Consistency is the master key to unlocking your full potential. If you master focus, you master your life. It's that simple. In a world overflowing with distraction, the ability to concentrate deeply on a single, important task is the ultimate superpower. Most people will drift through life, pulled in 100 different directions, never truly achieving what they're capable of. But not you. By watching this and applying these principles, you are now part of the top 1% who choose to take control of their attention and, therefore, their destiny. Thank you for joining me at Mind Hack AI. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more videos to help you build a stronger mind and a better future. See you next time.